Have you ever wondered why money is such a big part of our lives? Today, let's explore the reasons why we need money in simple terms. First, money helps us get what we need to survive. Think about food, water, clothes, and a place to live. Without money, it's hard to buy these essentials. In the modern world, we can't just grow or make everything ourselves, so money lets us exchange our work for these basics. Second, money makes trading easier. Long ago, people used barter, like trading a chicken for some bread. But what if the baker doesn't want a chicken? Money solves this by being something everyone accepts. It acts as a medium of exchange, making buying and selling smooth and fair. Third, money is a way to store value. If you earn more than you spend, you can save it for later. This helps during tough times, like emergencies or retirement. Without money, saving would mean hoarding goods that might spoil or lose value. Fourth, money measures worth. It gives us a standard unit to price things, like how much a house costs compared to a car. This makes decisions easier and helps economies run efficiently. Fifth, money fuels growth and opportunities. With it, you can invest in education, start a business, or buy tools to improve your life. It creates jobs, innovation, and progress for society as a whole. Finally, in our connected world, money builds security and freedom. It allows travel, healthcare, and helping others. While money isn't everything, it's a tool that enables us to live better and achieve our goals. So that's why we need money. It's the key to meeting needs, simplifying life, and building a brighter future. Subscribe for more information and educational videos.